Hi everyone, this is Alex. I'm finally back on the road and I'm back with my own company. So now I'm driving this Amazon loads by like own boss. I book for myself all loads and I really like it what I'm doing right now. So now nobody rush me, nobody tell me what to do, nobody tell me which load I have to carry. I do everything by myself. And if you would like to know some tips how open a company, how you can start business on Amazon just with one truck, because many of you ask me how many trucks you need to start Amazon business, just stay tuned and watch this video until end. Alright, let's begin. The first thing first. So what you need to do actually, you open your company, or if you already have your own company, you're just supposed to add to that company like truck business, and you're supposed to add DOT number and MC number. It is numbers which is located on the back of the truck over there. So when you come through a station, it's supposed to be on the truck, and basically your NT inspector can see your company. And to open this, you can do by yourself. You just Google it. It's pretty easy. I did by myself. It took me, I don't know, maybe like 30 minutes. If you don't know how to do, you can ask some broker do for yourself, for you, and you just pay. I paid I think $300 for that, and that's it. So after you got those numbers, you're supposed to activate them. So to be active, to activate them, you have like a 21-day period where you're supposed to add an insurance. And when you add an insurance in 21 days, and your basically DOT number and MC number become active. So how you can add insurance? Because you basically need to have a truck. So behind me stay a truck. I rent this truck. I don't own this truck. So what I did, I just simply type in near by my house some truck companies who selling the truck, and I give it to them like random trucket VIN number of the truck and year and model, and they insure the truck. And the time when I came to pick up a truck what I rent, I just changed to my insurance, and that's it. It was more than enough. So that truck was the lead, and I had this one truck. It's pretty useful because if you don't have your own truck, it's only way how you can activate your MC number, and it's legal. Why not? So you can do that. It's nothing illegal to do like that. So after that, when you activate your insurance, when it's become active, you're supposed to go to relayamazon.com and apply to be like an own operator for Amazon. So you're just supposed to go with the requirements what you're gonna see there on the site, and you're supposed to add those requirements to your insurance. You add your information, you add your DOT number, active DOT number with MC, you add name of the company, you add yourself, you like your owner, some email stuff, and you add your insurance. And it took basically 2-3 days, and they active your account. For me actually, like usually, it took more. It took 10 days because my agent for insurance is supposed to add one thing there. So and that's why it took longer. It took about 10 days. But anyway, so you can go to realamazon.com and see the requirements. So in those requirements, you can simply read it and ask your insurance agent to add it. And it's how everything's begin. Guys, if you think it's a good video and it's good tips for you, and it's maybe help your friend or maybe some other friend, please share my video and subscribe to my channel and press the like button. Thank you. Right, after your activation done and you got confirmation that your account is active and you're good to go, from that time you can book your loads and you can become your own boss, or you can book for your driver. So it's pretty easy. So you can do from iPhone, or you can do from your laptop, from any places. You just simply go to application and or site, and you just type where you locate, type which price you prefer to drive, and that's it. You choose it. It's just 2 clicks. You just book and confirm. That's it, and you're good to go. And the Amazon Pay, which is also important, every single week. So like most of their companies, they pay once in a while, once in 1 month, and that's why so many people offer you like some percentage to pay early. But for Amazon it's not necessary, because basically you can wait 1 week. 1 week is not 1 month, and it's pretty useful. So I hope you enjoy my video. I hope it just give you some idea how you can become an boss and you can drive for Amazon and make good money. If you like my channel, please subscribe, share with your friends this video, and in next video I'm gonna explain you how you can rent a car if you don't have a car, don't buy a car, because it's way cheaper. You don't have to put a lot of money to open a company and stuff like that. So see you, good luck.